I spend much of my life looking at health problems in populations, and I've come to understand that we're never going to solve those problems without a good health information system. That is the glue that holds the whole thing together. HealthSource creates an electronic record which is available wherever the patient is. They simply have to put out their fingerprint and identify themselves accurately, and then the whole health record moves with the patient. It doesn't matter where they are. South Africa, Mozambique, Lesotho, they could even be in the United States. Those are the information technologies of today which create extraordinary possibilities in the healthcare process.
I think perhaps the most visible success that you could ever see is the achievements we've had around HIV and TB reduction. Because this tool has allowed us to track very sensitive information confidentially and information which is critical to Anglo-America. And through making use of the HealthSource, we have been able to demonstrate that it is possible to reduce HIV incidence and TB incidence in our environment.
Jan was exceptional in his ability to analyze and understand the health process, and it was the willingness to say, I know how that can be done, and we can get on and do it. Of course, Jan couldn't do this on his own, and these two individuals, Tia and Julia, have been quite extraordinary in their ability to understand the health process and to translate that into computer code.
I always wanted to be in the medical field. I actually wanted to be a doctor initially. And I think to be in a position where I can still support the medical side and the health of industry, I think it's great.
I actually think it's great to be involved in a project like this because you can actually see the benefits as you go along. And it's exciting as well because you're kind of breaking new ground.
The Ndlovu care group, where they've deployed the solution, is quite a large operation in a very rural community. And it was critical for us that it must work in that setting because this is where the majority of South Africans are, and this is where health is so critical.
What the HealthSource has delivered to this program is invaluable. We've got total control of our data, of our patients, and of our patients in follow-up. And that's a tremendous change.
We say we want to be the leading mining company in the world. Nationally, we are recognized for our contribution that we are making. So that just challenges the status quo and saying we can do things better, we can share it with others, and that's exactly what we're now doing.
A small little team put together something which in many respects I think can change the face of healthcare.